All right, good morning, everyone. Gonna make it a little rapid fire today. Crazy busy day, like always for me. Let's get right to Q&A. Tesla plans today. If it can go red to green, I think you got to trade. Otherwise, I think it's an ignore. So I would watch 425 or higher on Tesla. You know, looking like a buy a rumor, sell the news type event. Tesla looking like a buy the rumor, sell the news event. But if it goes red to green, you get pop. Otherwise, let it consolidate. I mean, again, you know, Tesla on an incredible run. At this point, it looks like the market is a little unimpressed by battery day, but, you know, we'll see. So, SPI, we got some breaking news. At 8:29 a.m., SPI, breaking news, launches a new electric vehicle subsidiary. Low float. Big breakout. Guess what, my friends? Traded 7 million shares. Most of you know what I'm going to say. EV play. Big breakout. Low float. Big volume. Number one. Dip in number one, 945. GME. We talked about this one all day yesterday. How's GME doing? Just keeps trucking along. Yeah, I mean, GME, we've talked about this one as a super low risk, late day VWAP swing trade. Basically the same thing. I've been saying on these since Monday or Friday? What was the breakout day? Monday, or wait, no. 16th. What was the 16th? Well, that's a week ago. Were we talking about GME a week ago? Allow me to use the power of Evernote. Yeah, okay. So 9/16/2020 at 3:35 p.m. GME, nice move in an ugly market. And I remember discussing it as a potential, you know, gaming, esports, etc. Why does Plug keep going? So anyway, all thoughts the same as a week ago on GME. What's up with Plug? What's up with Plug? We got an 8:30 press release. We love 8:30 press releases and junk penny stocks. What do we got here? Universal hydrogen. Turbo. Whoa. Hydrogen airplanes. Well, they're probably smoking crack, but I love the headline. I mean, they'll never make a hydrogen airplane, but doesn't mean we can't get a day trade on this thing. And love the timing. You know, remember as degenerate day traders, we love those 8:30 press releases, 9 a.m. press releases. You get all the FOMO, baby. You get the FOMO traders. So you get that move, then they get spooked out at the open, and then you buy the dip and rip. So, standard, perfect FOMO play by the penny stock degenerates. Everyone's gonna pile in, get stopped at the open, and then we will wait for a consistently repeatable pattern and crush it if this breaks out. 9:45 on high volume, or a 2 p.m. VWAP hold hot break, aka the ABCD plus VWAP, aka the gun pattern. Beautiful. Love plug. Nice. Rudy says, LOL, Elon Musk said yesterday, rockets and airplanes are not going to be on hydrogen. Ha! So here's the thing. Guess what? And you can believe me or not believe me, but Rudy, I didn't hear that. Okay? I didn't read that. I didn't read Rudy's comment until just now. And what did I say before I even knew what Elon said? Yeah, I said it. Back up the tape. I said, they'll never do it. Plug will never do this. Plug will never build a hydrogen airplane or jet or whatever. But, doesn't mean we can't day trade this thing. So, thank you for that, though, Rudy. Rudy gets the gold star. Again, hand on the Bible. I didn't watch Battery Day. My daughter had a volleyball game last night, so I didn't watch Battery Day live. I didn't know that quote. Thank you, Rudy. I appreciate it. So, should I buy Apple? I don't know. Should you eat breakfast? Should you exercise? Should you change your underwear? I don't know. Give me a thesis. You tell me. I mean, should you mow your lawn? Should you change the oil in your car? I don't know. You tell me. Why should you buy Apple? Give me a thesis. Give me a plan. If you want picks, go somewhere else. It's not what I do. Enjoy your picks. SRNE. Week open red to green. This squeezed yesterday afternoon on some news. Really like this, especially with the J&J news. So, whoops. Week open red to green virus play. We got some more solid headlines this AM on vaccine. Check the J&J news. As a junior in a private high school, how should I invest and grow my wealth in the right way? Great question for Biz. I actually talked about this a lot on my personal Instagram yesterday. For Biz, go to @tbohen on Instagram, and I did almost an entire 20-minute webinar talking about what I think young people should be doing. Now, as always, you don't have to listen to me, but that's what I would say. Go to my personal Instagram. Yesterday I talked about it a lot, so. Can we try long positions in NASDAQ? I mean, Imawi, 99.9% of the trade ideas we talk about are long. It's so hard to to short right now. So, yeah, SPI to the moon. Again, as long as it does a 945 or later dip and rip. Can we see trading recaps and thought processes in live action? Isn't that what I'm doing? When it comes to live trading, check out the Steady Trade team. Besides STT, which other scanners do you guys use? I don't use anything else. Is Peloton still a swing? Yeah. Actually, Peloton had a good headline this morning. There was a rumor Amazon was going into the bikes, and that rumor got disproven this morning. So, actually, it's kind of a headline, non-headline, but it's on my personal Instagram. Where did I put it? There we go. Yep. Open Outcrier tweeted this, but Peloton. There was rumors that Amazon was going to do a $500 version of the Peloton. Amazon debunked that rumor. So actually, to me, it's a non-headline, but I'm still very bullish. So, because of the fact, the thing is, if Amazon, it'd be like if Apple came out with a bike, or Google came out with a bike, or Microsoft came out with a bike. It obviously would not be good for Peloton. The fact that Amazon is saying they're not going to do a bike, that's a positive to me. So, price target on Peloton, man, I think this has 100 plus easy. I think you get $100 break on this thing, everyone's going to be all over Peloton. 100 plus easy. All right, one more and then I do have to run. I was supposed to leave early. Remember when I was supposed to leave early? What are you looking for specifically when you say weak open red to green? Well, I'm looking for a weak open red to green. What was the one we were looking at? What was our main? Oh, yeah, SRNE. So, SRNE ripped into the close on news. Closed at 1075, basically. So, what I'm looking for is... give me blue, all right? Again, this is that weak open, okay? It's been fading. So SRNE is a classic weak open red to green because, look at all it has done since the close is fade. This thing has barely upticked since 4 p.m. yesterday. That is weak, okay? That is weak price action. The fact that, it can barely uptick at all. It's sitting on the lows. Then what are we looking for confirmation? Whoops. That green move with risk down. Well, let me do red. With risk on the morning support area at 1050. So a green move with risk down on 1050. Because of the strong close, because of the weak after hours, and weak pre-market. So, all right, guys. I was supposed to leave early, and it's past 8:45. So, I love what I do. So, again, check out the Steady Trade team. Now I'm behind even more than I was. But actually, let me save this. Have a great day, everyone. I'll be back at noon on my personal Instagram. And as I always say, if you really want to get into the details, a lot of good questions today, but there's only so much I can do in a 15-minute webinar. With the Steady Trade team, I do 2 webinars a day, 45 minutes long, every single day. So just remember that. All right. Have a great day, everyone. I'm so behind. Ugh.